Hello, I'm Jane Martin, a respiratory therapist, lung health educator, writer, and author. If you have COPD, you know there's a lot to learn and it can be very overwhelming. Live Your Life with COPD, 52 Weeks of Health, Happiness, and Hope breaks it all down into 52 easy to read short chapters, one for every week of the year. Some of the chapters have stories of real people just like you living with COPD and finding a way to have a good quality of life. Some chapters have an expert question and answer. Others have an additional interesting thing to learn about the topic of that week. And some have an activity, something that you can do to help learn more about your COPD and to manage it as effectively as possible. If you were just diagnosed with COPD, or if you have been for a while, I know you'll learn something. Live Your Life with COPD, 52 Weeks of Health, Happiness, and Hope. Thank you so much for your time, and I wish for you a good breathing day.